Well, hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. It has actually been like a while, I must admit, but we're back. Alright, I say it every single time I do a couple of weeks off, but we're back. I've actually been doing my kitchen, revamping my kitchen. So I've like been spraying my cupboards, wrapping the tops, painting the tiles. Yeah, so in all the time that I have got, I'm literally between car and kitchen. But yeah, so we're back to the car today. So here we are. We're actually going to be doing Reese's fuel pump as well in a bit. So I was getting rid of my little bits to do, and then obviously jump onto the big bit, which might even just take over a day really when you think about it. It's quite a big job, the fuel pump. So yeah, so today we are featuring diversion stores, and it is the side indicators for the mirrors. So we've got these. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to like see what these look like, because if you remember, I've had my lights done at the front where it's like the Golf R indicator, it just like to the side. I don't even know what you call it. What is the actual like name for it? I can't remember, but yeah, the indicator anyway swoops to the side. So this will be swooping too. The sweeping indicator is that, or have I just made that up? I think I've just made that up. So I'm going to be taking the mirror off, or the mirror cap off, and then be fitting these. Apparently it should be really easy, it's just like one plug in. So we're about to find out. So this is what I'm going to take off. In order to achieve that, I'm going to use a flathead. So I've got my flathead ready, and I'm just going to poke it. Well, not actually going to poke it. There's 3 clips that I've got to unclip, and you can see them if you look closely. No, you probably can't. There's just 3 that you've got to poke up to get this loose. So I'm going to do that now. I'm right in a small flathead.
Really? What are you doing?
Doing what?
You sure you're supposed to be doing that?
Yeah, it's clips.
Yeah.
It's just the flathead I think's a bit too big. So using this screwdriver, we've managed to get 1 clip out. But there is 3 clips, as you can like. So that's what the clip is, and there's this 3 along here. There's 1 still in, but I'll get that out now. Hey. Bruh. Right, so we've got this off, and then now I've got to figure out where this goes from there. So just pull it off. It's just a case of like unclipping that there. Oh, that just happened randomly. Oh dear. I must have extra angle. I must have a lot of strength, funny. I just pressed the clip and it jumped out. So that's that. This is actually an auto beam bulb, so that can go. And then we're going to be fitting that like that. So we'll see. I find this really satisfying. Yeah, so if you just test fit it in like that. Alright, so let's just see if that'll clip in. Where you can clip it in too. Press it in. Yep, and it should be fine. We'll see. What are you doing in my car?
Grabbing my flathead.
Okay, sorry. Right, let's try it out. Right, so obviously it's black as well, which matches thy headlights. So let's just try it on with the car. Right, so obviously I've done my job well, and it's working. That looks sick. Just get it in. Just do that. It should. Yes, I will. Oh, look, honey, doesn't it look good? I'm a mechanic. So I'm just going to do the same to the other side, but you don't need to see that one. And I'll show you how the finishing touches looks. But I'm well impressed with myself. Okay, so it's all nice and smoked out there. To get back in, you just got to put the clips back in. It does take a little time, as you got to line it up exactly, but it does fit perfect and looks really good. So I'm going to do the other one now, and then we'll see what it looks like. So this is the finishing look of the indicators, which I'm just going to call them sweeping indicators, whether or not they are that name like, but they look so much better. So these indicators can be found over at Diversion Stores. So this is the Instagram page that you're looking out for, and this is also the web page that you can go and check out. So I'll leave the link to them down below, and also a link to the main web page. But yeah, so obviously they're so cheap and just make a massive difference to your car, so you might as well just fellow Fiesta owners head over and buy a set. So yeah, thanks Diversion Stores for sending them out to me, and obviously for the little how-to. I am so sorry for the late video as well, it's just been crazy busy at the moment. But yeah, so thanks guys. Thanks for all the nice comments recently too. The next event we should be heading over to as well is probably going to be Fast Show at Santa Pod 2. So if you are going to Santa Pod, and you're going to be at Fast Show, drop it below, we'll come and see you, say hello. But yeah, so keep liking guys, keep commenting, keep subscribing, and then I'll see you all soon with a new video. Thank you.